Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjiti online classes. Class 7, English, Grammar, Chapter 17, and topic is more on adverbs. And today I am going to discuss about more on adverbs. Previously, I have discussed about position of adverb. Just I to review whether you have learned or not. Before I go to this topic, you have to know that adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. A word that is used attributively and which qualify the meaning of other word is known as the modifier. Just like it is cold today. Yeah, when it is today. Today means time. Adverb of time. But Kapil or is shining overcoat. That is a modifier. Another word that is called modifier. Do you know adverb of time? Adverb of place. Just like she turned left. Where? She turned left. The climb of field. That is a place. Then adverb of manner is she nodded and smiled warmly. Means how? She nodded and smiled warmly. Okay, this is adverb manner. Adverb frequency is how often. Reena is always late for his class. That is adverb frequency. The adverb of degree or quantity is just like how much. I had almost forgotten that which. Or I quite disagree with you. How much? Quite disagree with you. This is that much. Adverb reason is why. Yes, because the people that is office tortured too lot. That's why therefore he left the job. That is the reason. Interrogative adverb means that where is your house? Just like interrogative adverb place and why are you so sad? Interrogative adverb region, interrogative adverb region, and how many hours did you study? That is interrogative adverb time. So these are all the interrogative adverb times. The relative adverbs we have discussed by using why and where, just like that is the spot where she fell. The reason why he quite is not known, etc. So also we have discussed just like yes and no. You will certainly fall sick. Surely someone gave you, or they were scarcely able, or I hardly know. These are all adverbs of affirmation, and negation means he no longer takes interest in music. That is no. So formation adverbs we have discussed that like using by sweetly, happily, possibly, etc. We have discussed adverb of formation of adverb, and also we have discussed about its order, that how we have to use first adverb of manner, then adverb of place, then adverb of time. Okay, we have discussed. And now we are going to discuss today that more on adverbs, how we can understand about this. Let's discuss here in this blackboard. We can see Susmita writes hurriedly. How does Susmita write? Susmita writes hurriedly. बहुत जल्दी से लिखती है. You can see the sentence. Kabir writes more hurriedly than Rohini or Susmita, etc. More hurriedly. उससे भी ज़्यादा और लिख सकते हैं कौन? कावेरी. Then Gunjan writes most hurriedly. Most hurriedly. तो उसके जैसा ज़्यादा कोई लिख सकते हैं. So now we see in this sentence, adverbs like adjectives have 3 degree of comparison. जैसे कि adjective का 3 है. In the same way, adverb also 3 degree of comparison. Just like adjective, adverb also 3 degree of comparisons. Just like the positive, here positive, then comparative and superlative form. 3 forms of adverbs, just like 3 forms of adjectives. It's clear? You have studied in the adjective, just like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. That is adjective. But here hurriedly, more hurriedly, and more slowly, that is adverb of different types of adverbs. 3 degree of adverb. Okay. So as you have discussed that, which are the words which cannot be compared with different sentences, just like many adverbs because of their nature cannot be compared. Now, more now, most now cannot be. Then, more than, most than cannot be. Where, more where, most where cannot be. There, more there, most there cannot be. So यहाँ पर ये सब this type of sentence we cannot make more comparative and superlative form this type of words. Okay. So here short adverbs, just like we have to use comparative er and superlative form est. You can see hurriedly, more hurriedly, most hurriedly, and here how it can be er and est. Just know, just like we have to discuss here, just like hard, harder, hardest, superlative form. Soon, sooner, soonest. It's okay. Fast, faster, fastest. Late, later, latest. Latest news. Yes. High, higher, highest. Then low, lower, lowest. EST. So all these can be used in different types. Most adverbs in this category are words that are also used as adjective. Yes, this can be used as an adjective. So adverbs ending by ly usually form the comparative and with more and the superlative with more. Let's discuss next point here. So this is all about I have discussed. Did you all understand whatever I discussed? I think so you have understood. So students, let's discuss adverbs ending by ly. Ending by ly. You can see ending by ly usually form a comparative with more and superlative with most. Just like softly means more softly and most softly. And use this positive, comparative and superlative form. Happily means more happily and most happily. Sweetly means more sweetly and most sweetly. Here truly means more truly, most truly. Certainly means more certainly. Most certainly. Greedily, more greedily, most greedily. Joyfully means more joyfully and most joyfully. Gently is more gently, most gently. Angrily is more angrily and most angrily. You can see all these positive compared with the comparative and superlative form, just like in degree of adjective, in the same way degree of adverb also we can use this adverbs like three comparisons, just like softly, yeah, or she spoke more softly than me, you can say, etc., etc. We can use in different types of use of these sentences. Yes, you do understand all these things. Now, one of the expressions here, the word early does not form its comparative and superlative by adding more and more. We don't say more early. Yes, he rose more early in the morning. That is wrong. Or he early means most early also. That is wrong. So actual word instead of more early and most early, we have to see the comparative form of early is earlier and superlative form of early is earliest. In this way, it is one of the expression व्यक्ति form उसका विरोध में अपोज में है, just like alloy form, but it is not used like that. You have to know this point also as I discuss all these things. I have elaborated these all things. You have to understand everything. Yes, you have to learn this positive, comparative, superlative by heart. These all know that these all adverb, not adjective. Well, no, by using ly, it is adverb. You know that adjective was used in degree of adjectives. In the same way, degree of adverb also used like this. Do you understand? You have to practice it more and you can understand very well. Yes, student? So, student, but some adverbs do not follow any rule. Yes, what I mean to say? Some adverbs do not follow any rule. Just like I have told you, that's adverbs like softly, more softly, happily, more happily, swiftly, more swiftly, and more swiftly, truly, more truly. This is following rules like the hard, harder, hardest, soon, sooner, soonest, fast, faster, fastest, late, later, latest, high, higher, highest, low, lower, lowest. This is also following rules. Yes, just like ER and EST, more and most, in this way, following the rules as I have told you. But here, some words, they do not follow any rule. They form their comparative and superlative in an irregular manner. Irregular means out of rule. कोई irregularity नहीं. Just like here, it is a discuss. Here, well is comparative form is better, and well, better, best. Yes, best. Much, more, and most. Ill, badly means worse and worst. Worst, W-O-R-S-T, worst. Ill, badly, or bad, worst. Little, less, and least. Little, less, and least. Far, either further, farther, or further. F-A-R-T-H-E-R and F-U-R-T-H-E-R. That will be farther, further. F-A-R-T-H-E-R, farther, or F-U-R-T-H-E-R, farthest. F-U-R-T-H-E-S-T, farthest. Yes, far, farther, further, farthest, etc. So these are all irregular and they don't follow the rules, and we have to write in this way. Do you understand this one point? Now, adverb has different parts of speech. Do you know there are 8 parts of speech, and it has different types of uses. Let's see. News travels fast. In this sentence, जो अखबार है बहुत जल्दी, खबर है बहुत जल्दी फैलता है, बहुत जल्दी. Yes, how much? बहुत जल्दी. कैसे? How much? So first number sentence you can say first has been used as an adverb. इसलिए क्या है? First adverb का रूप लिया है. But many my brother likes fast car. what type car? Fast car. मेरा भाई बहुत तेज में भागने वाला कार को पसंद करता है. And here acting as an adjective. This is no more adverb but it is an adjective. First one is adverb, second one is adjective. We can see in some cases an adverb has the same form as an adjective and is similar in meaning. First, but यहाँ पर here adverb but it is adjective because adjective is the describing words of the noun. But adverb means adverb noun, adverb of place, adverb time, adverb of manner. You can say. So in such cases the adverb usually placed immediately after the verb or an object and verb के object के पास and rarely in front of the verb. Yes, let's see here. As we discussed about different parts of which one is adverb and another is adjective. In this way, the two way we can use this adverb the first in different types of parts of which we can use. So whatever I discussed, I hope you did all understand what I say. Listen, student. Sometimes two adverbs are used together, joined by the conjunction and. Yes, and how we can use two adverbs joined together by the conjunction and. And let's discuss. You can see now and conjunction and then. Here is the adverb and here the verb. Now and then. Suppose you join, that means from time to time. Means from time to time. Now that means from time to time or occasionally. Or occasionally. Okay? Occasionally. Now, far and away. One adverb far, another verb away. If you join two adverbs together and write, that means decidedly. Decidedly, or by a great deal, or by a great deal. That means far and away means by a great deal, or beyond all comparison. We can say beyond all comparison. Another word you can say beyond all comparison. By mixing two adverb together by and you can create new type of sentence. Suppose far and near means in all directions. In all directions. Okay? Again and again means repeatedly. Repeatedly. Repeatedly, again. By and by means presently. Or before, long, after a time. Before, long, after a time. By and by means presently, before, long, after a time. First and foremost means first of all. First and foremost means first of all. Yes, these are the different sense of meaning coming by writing all this. And was together by conjunction word and we can create new sentence. Okay, now how adverb can be converted into adjective? Let's discuss here. He spoke to me very kindly. बहुत दया के भाव से वो मेरे से बातचीत की. This kindly is adverb, so we can write he was a kindly old man. He was दिस काइंड इज नॉट एडवर्ब बट एडजेक्टिव। किस तरह का वृद्ध व्यक्ति है? दया करता हुआ वृद्ध व्यक्ति है। तो मोर डिस्क्राइबिंग ओवर द ओल्ड मैन, दैट्स व्हाई दैट इज एडजेक्टिव इंस्टेड ऑफ एडवर्ब। सो नाउ adverb can convert into adjective. Let's see. Reach the venue early. Reach the venue early. बहुत जल्दी हम कब? How means बहुत जल्दी हम venue को पहुँचे। इसको हम चेंज कर सकते हैं। The early bird catches the worm. The early bird, यहाँ पर जो early bird catches it, catches the ये वर्ब अर्ली जो है एडजेक्टिव है, नॉट इन एडवर्ब। हियर एडवर्ब अर्ली बट हियर एडवर्ब इज एडजेक्टिव। बहुत जल्दी वाला जो चिड़िया है दैट इज एडजेक्टिव इंस्टेड ऑफ एडवर्ब। ओके, सी इज मच बेटर टुडे। सी इज मच बेटर टुडे हियर, सो देयर इज नॉट मच, there is not much rice in the jar. much rice मतलब ज़्यादा राइस नहीं है। she is much better, आज बढ़िया है। this is adverb, much better. yes, but there is not much rice. कितना राइस? ज़्यादा राइस। यहाँ पर एडजेक्टिव का रोल ले रही है। दो मच इज एडवर्ब लेकिन एडजेक्टिव रोल एडजेक्टिव का ले रहा है। मानसी वर्क्स रेदर हार्ड। वर्क्स रेदर हार्ड, हार्ड मतलब कठिन का मेहनत करता है। सो हियर दीज आर हार्ड मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम। दीज आर हार्ड मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम। और problems. So I can say here hard means adverb because describing more about the verb, but adjective describes more about the noun. That is the difference between adverb and adjective. So here more describing about the verb, works hard, काम बहुत करना। Here describing more about the verb, but here describing more about the noun. Hard mathematics ऐसा कठिन बात है। Yes, यहाँ भी hard है, यहाँ भी hard, but this is adverb and this is adjective. So we can, according to use, you can use in different forms. So do you understand whatever I discussed now? Sometimes two adverbs may be formed from the same adjective. One adverb has the same form as the adjective while the other is formed by adding ly. Let's see. Sometimes two adverbs may be formed by from the same adjective. One adverb has the same form as the adjective while the other is formed by adding ly. Let's see. Arjun asked the children to hold on tight and sit. Hold on tight and sit. Here adverb is tight. Okay, Arjun asked the children to hold on tight and sit. अच्छे से पकड़ के बैठिए. Yes. So here we can say one of the child verb and Jaya held on tightly. Tight or tightly. अच्छे से पकड़िएगा. To her mother's hand. मम्मी के हाथ को अच्छे से पकड़ी. One is tight, other one is ly tightly. By tight also, by tightly we can use this adjective as an adverb form. Yes, it's clear to understand. Now student, some adverbs have both forms. You can see. Suppose it is clear, you can write clearly, dear, dearly, deep, deeply, hard, hardly, fine, finely, last, lastly, close, closely, thin, thinly. Just right. Direct Ily, not Yly. Okay, you have to know the spelling also. So all these things we have discussed. Some adverbs have two both forms we can use, like clear understand or I understand clearly. Fine, I am fine. I did my work finely. We can say it in different way. I can see the direct sunlight is coming direct. Or I entered the room directly. Etc. We can make different way. Two way can make the sentence about this law. It's clear. Now, some adverbs act as nouns when placed after preposition. Preposition के बाद अगर कुछ सेंटेंस आता है तो वो एडवर्ब नाउन बन जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, my aunt's house is far from here. यहाँ पर प्रीपोजिशन के बाद अगर हम कोई एडवर्ब यूज कर रहे हैं तो ये नाउन का रोल ले रहा है. सम एडवर्ब्स एक्ट्स एज नाउन्स, नाउन का रोल ले रहा है. व्हेन प्लेस आफ्टर प्रीपोजिशन मींस प्रीपोजिशन फ्रॉम के बाद यूज हो रहा है तो इट इज एक्टिंग एज नाउन. सो माय आंट्स हाउस इज फार फ्रॉम मी. हियर इज नाउन, इस जगह से. हियर इज द प्लेस. हियर now by then, suppose by then this is acting as noun. The culprit had removed the evidence from the scene. By then, uske baad, by then culprit had removed the evidence from the scene. So we can see here this is acting as noun when replaced by preposition by. So if you know the grammar is very deep, if you study again to understand the subject deeply, then you can understand very well. Some adverbs are used as adjectives when some participle on adjective is understood. Once again, some adverbs are used as adjectives and some participle or adjective is understood. For example, first point, the above example shows that adverbs can be used as different parts of speech. Adverb को हम different parts of speech में ले सकते हैं. Just like the participle given is understood. One of the sentence, the participle given is understood. Given, yes. Participle given, yes, is understood. Here some adverbs are used as adjective. Here using as adjective when some participle on adjective is understood. Yes, here participle is given, so it is understood. The example given above. So next point, the then, here comes then principal of our college has written a book. The then principal. So here adjective acting as a what? Adverb. So students, so all these things about the adverb I have discussed many points by using. Adverb also can be just like adjective. Degree of adjective just like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Yeah. So I have discussed more on adverb also. Hard, harder, hardest. Softly, more softly, more softly. Irregular adverbs are well, better, best. And different types of parts of speech also it is used. Just like news travels fast. My brother likes fast cars. I discussed. And different types of adverbs in both forms, just like clear, clearly, dear, dearly, deep, deeply, hard, hardly, etc. Also, adverbs can be used by adverbs can be used by and, now and then, far and away, far and near, again, by and by, first and foremost, etc. Also it is used. So students, we have discussed many points, and finally I have discussed sometimes the ly form has a different meaning from the adverb with the same form as the adjective, just like she worked hard. बहुत मेहनत की. और next one, she was hardly audible, means ले दे के सुन पाते थे. यहाँ hard बोलेंगे, यहाँ hardly का मतलब अलग है. So two different meaning of adverb by using in the different sense by using adverb. Hardly something different. So it can also depend with change way. It can change. I hope you this grammar I have discussed all the things. You have to study, read the book, textbook, and also practice on. And see you. You have a good day. Meet you once again in the next period. So meet you once again in the next period. So have a good day and goodbye.